going to harvest my first tomatoes today. We'll see. Not sure how well they'll do, but let's see what happens here. Just dumping them out into this bin. Oh, there's a couple already. Not huge, maybe could have gone a little bit longer, but I'm happy with that. I guess I should have had something to put them in. Guess I'll put them in here for now. That was one that didn't grow, looks like. I'm gonna put the dirt in this bin to reuse later. So they're small baby potatoes. I'm okay with that. That was from a seed potato. This will make a good dinner for us. I have 4 other bags. I'll probably let go a little bit longer, but this one was in the way and I wanted to have potatoes tonight for dinner. And it looks like they'll just be enough for us to have for dinner tonight. Some more down in here. I don't want to dump all the dirt out because I don't want it to go everywhere. I think I got most of them. Not a huge harvest, but they'll be tasty.